Tell me, when the lights go out, do you fear the dark, or what it lets you become? Neon rain shrouds the skyline, black clouds bleeding to chrome. Streetlights tremble like they're praying for a dawn that won't come home. Glass reflects a stranger silhouette. Every step leaves ghosts behind. The city's heartbeat never slows, it only learns to hide. Ash falls like frozen embers, smoke curls around my name. Every alley holds another secret, every shadow looks the same. Tonight, the darkness isn't chasing me, waits like it already knows. I'll stay. One spark, one breath, one heartbeat, nothing left. Feel the silence growing loud, watch the whole world black out, black out. Kill the light, let the shadows breathe. Black out, nothing left but you and me. No halo, no crown, only thunder shaking the ground. When the sky falls apart, you'll find me inside the dark. Black out, black out. Broken halos scatter on the pavement, midnight drifts from shattered glass. Every scar becomes another skyline drawn across the man I was. The city's pulse, 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 pulse beats through concrete veins. Every window hides another ghost. The night doesn't whisper, it watches, waiting to see who lets go first. First, first. Lightning paints the rooftop silver, smoke dances with the pouring rain. If heaven still remembers my face, it forgot my name. You were taught to fear the dark. I learned it was never the darkness, it was the silence, silent after. No prayers, no heroes, no miracles tonight. Just thunder breaking open the sky. If this city falls asleep, I'll still be wide awake, watching the horizon catch fire. Black out, watch the skyline disappear. Black out, I was never meant to fear. Every heartbeat, every scar, every piece made me who we are. When the stars lose their light, I'll become the midnight sky. If tomorrow never comes, remember I was never running from the dark. I became it. Black out, black out, black out. When the lights come back, don't look for the man you used to know. He disappeared the moment the city